Hello everyone. Today we are going to see synchronous up counter as well as synchronous down counter. We are going to design mod 8 counter which will count from 0 to 7. And we are using flip-flop, that is MSJK flip-flop, which is pin number 7476. No, sorry, IC number 7476. It is 16 pin IC. It is 16 pin IC. This is 7476. And when we are designing mod 8 counter, obviously we need 3 flip-flops because it is 3 bit, it is counting from 0 to 7. The maximum number of bits required to count from 0 to 7 is 3. So we need 3 flip-flops. So already we have seen in the theory the design of the synchronous counter. So mod 8 counter. So this is a circuit diagram. So as usual, this is our kit where we have IC base and 7476 we need 3. One IC will have, it is a dual 7476. So one IC will have 2 flip-flop and we need a third one. And as it is being a mod 8 counter, we need a AND gate also. So like this we have made a connections over here. Like this we have made a connections. Here it is 7476 IC number 1. This is 7476 IC number 2. And this is AND gate. This is AND gate. So like this the connections are made. And according to the pin number, according to our design, so pin number 5 is for 7476 flip-flop, pin number 5 is VCC and pin number 13 is ground. And for AND gate, pin number 7 is ground and pin number 14 is VCC. So make a point that 7476 is a 16 pin configuration, that is pin number. It has got a 16 pin. So in connection with this, according to this design, as it is a synchronous counter, every flip-flop will have a clock of same frequency. It is not like a asynchronous counter. Every flip-flop will have a clock of same frequency. And you have a preset and clear. In the previous practicals also, I have told that preset and clear is connected to the high voltage, that is logic 1. And J and K, it is differently because they are supposed to be connected to the AND gate and all. That connections I am going to show over here. So we are clear with preset and clear and clock. So one clock, either we can use a pulse or we can use a continuous clock, whichever you want, you can go for it. And see this, for AND gate, the output of first flip-flop is connected, that is Q0, Q1 and Q2. So Q0 is LSB, it is connected to the AND gate, and Q1 is connected to the AND gate, and output of AND gate will go to the J and K of a third flip-flop. And outputs of Q0, Q1 and Q2 will be taken out, and that will be counted, that will work as a counter. So I have connected the output to the LEDs. Either you can connect it to the single LED or you can connect to the 7-segment LED. So this is all the setups we can say it as. Now, one by one I am going to show you. First and foremost thing, according to the pin number, clock is pin number 1 and clock is pin number 1. I'll show you just a minute. Give me a minute. Clock is pin number 1 and second clock is pin number 6. And the third IC clock pin number 1, all these clocks to be connected to the single frequency. So this is clock number 1 and pin number 6, that is clock number 2, that is pin number 6 is clock number 2. All these are connected to the single clock. Either you can connect to the pulse over here or you can directly connect to the continuous clock. You can directly connect to the continuous clock. So both the things I am going to show you. And pin number 5 is VCC, pin number 5 is VCC and pin number 13 is ground. So VCC and ground connections we have made. And according to the design, preset and clear should be connected to high voltage. This is connected to the high voltage. So preset and clear, pin number 2 and 3 of first IC, first flip-flop. Pin number 6 and 7 and 8 of second flip-flop of first IC. And pin number 2 and 3 of second IC first flip-flop. All these are connected to the high. This is one above the other. This is what one above the other. You can connect it. The way we have done in the simulator, you can connect it to the single slot. So this is done. And now pin number 1 and pin number, that is pin number 1 and, sorry, pin number J. Just a minute. Pin number 4 and pin number 16. So pin number 4 and pin number 16. To be connected to, they are to be shorted when you have to connect to each other, And finally, you can connect it to where? You can connect it to the high voltage. And here, the output, that is pin number, that is Q1, that is pin number, just a minute, pin number 11. 11 to be connected to the AND gate and should be connected. See this, pin number 11, 9, 10, 11. It is connected to the AND gate. So according to this design. And also it goes to the Q node. So this is Q node, pin number 11. So like this, we have to connect all, we have to make a connections according to this. Now first I'm going to show you how to give the clock pulse. Alright, and then we can start this. And this is what our, when we are giving a clock pulse, we have to give manually. This is C. This is 7 and this is 0. Then this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. So like this, we can have a up counter. This is up counter. Now tell me for the down counter what the changes we have to make. Now tell me. So this is the up counter. We all understood it. If I want to design a down counter, what the AND input will receive the outputs. AND inputs will be what?
Q0 bar and Q1 bar would be connected to the input of AND gate.
AND gate. Alright, perfect. So, and output of AND gate is connected to what?
J2 and K2 of third flip-flop.
Third flip-flop, perfect.
Okay. From where actually in up, what is the difference between up counter design and down counter design?
Yeah, the difference would be that in up counter, Q0 and Q1 would be connected to the AND gate, and in down counter, Q0 bar and Q1 bar would be connected to the AND gate.
And where the outputs will be taken, drawn?
To same the J2 and K2.
Outputs. See,
Yeah, output would be Q0,
Q1 and Q2.
Q2.
Mean here, what I want to clarify over here is, we are not going to take any complementary outputs. Suppose we are connecting up counter for Q0, Q1 and Q2. Am I clear? If I connect it to Q0 bar, Q1 bar and Q2 bar, I get a down counter actually. But that is not a design. It is not, that is not a design of the counter, complement ho raha hai. Alright, so there should be a proper design. So in this design, the change will be Q0 bar and Q1 bar will be connected to the AND gate, and output of AND gate will be given to the J and K of third flip-flop, that is MSB, and outputs will be drawn from Q0, Q1 and Q2.